I think that if you go back and look at the experience that I would bring to this position, I think that it's well suited for the circuit court clerk position.
Augusta County Supervisor member Carolyn Bragg is now seeking the Augusta County Clerk of Court seat.
I have over 27 years of management experience. I've been a small business owner for 17 years. I have been a volunteer in the community. I've served on the Board of Supervisors.
Now she's hoping that more than 40,000 Augusta County registered voters will elect her in a different position.
I'm really excited about the opportunity to run for the clerk of the circuit court for Augusta County, and I would appreciate the citizens' support and their vote on November 5th.
According to Bragg, there are 4 areas of responsibility for the Augusta County Clerk of Court.
You service the legal community, which is very important. Part of the job is recording and keeping the records for the circuit court and for their trials, and managing juries and selecting juries and keeping the records. You look at real estate in that area. It takes care of deeds and files, those kind of things. If you're looking for plats and all of that information is kept in the circuit court building. For the citizens in general, it deals with adoptions and probating wills, your concealed license permits, that kind of the personal service there. And then the 4th one I look at is the historical and genealogical community. Our courthouse is a 1901 building. Augusta County was actually founded in 1745, and in the basement of that building are records that date back to 1745. So it's a history.
Bragg says she's a history buff and that the courthouse is where you can learn about the county's past.
Our past history's in the basement, and you can read the stories and see census records and just lots and lots of information, marriage, debt records, and death records, and property, and all of that's in the basement. So that's the ancient or the historical story of our citizens. But currently bringing it to today, you're still recording and keeping that information.
Bragg has landed what she considers as an impressive endorsement. Carol Bridge recently retired after a 4-year stint as clerk of court and had spent more than 3 decades in the clerk's office.
She has evaluated the people that are running for the position, and she has decided and is publicly endorsing me for the position. And I certainly appreciate her support and her encouragement. And, I couldn't ask for anything better than having her confidence in my abilities. And this is from the person who has been in the office and who has done the job for a number of years. And she has enough confidence in me and understands my qualifications and really feels that I would be the best person to fill her shoes.
And who would Bragg like to see fill her shoes?
The person that I'd like to see would be somebody that has a true interest in service to Augusta County and to the, specifically to South River District. Each of our districts are very different in their needs. I think South River is no exception to that. It's a smaller land area with a larger grouping of people, and we all have the same number of citizens. But whoever serves in this position, I truly hope that they're interested in South River, interested in service to the community, interested in service to Augusta County. They need to be somebody who can think outside of the box and who's willing to listen and to understand all sides of an issue and not go into a subject closed-minded. So I'm hoping it's somebody that really has an interest in what's going on.
She wants to continue her civic duty working for the county.
I enjoy working with people. I take great pleasure and great pride in the ability, and it's been an honor to serve on the board and to work with citizens, and I just love it. I really, really do. And whether it's on the board or whether it's volunteering in my community, it's just very important to me to be a part of it.
In Stanton, Elaine Rackley for Breaking Through News.